All right, in this video, we're going to cover a 40-gallon at 2,000 PSI jetter that we built for a local large mining operation. It's also equipped with fire suppression. Kind of gives an idea of the size and scope of what we can build here at HotJet. 40-gallon pump, turbo diesel engine. Cabot on this one. We're also using Yanmar, heck of a great motor as well, with a big Pratazoli pump, extra large diesel tank. Let's kind of do a walk around here. Got a 1.5 million BTU unit, so you can either use hot water or cold water. You got great access. These panels just pull right off. Relief valve in a great spot. Large heater. Got 330-gallon water tank, all built on a big plate. Now we can build this on a trailer as well. It's a super structure plate. It's got a double structure if you want to look at that. Big hydraulic hose reel, 500 feet of 1/2-inch hose. Guide arm, throttle control back here, in and out. Got dead man switch. So you're off and on out at the end of the point of service. Up in here's controls. Real simple controls. Emergency kill for fire, fire suppression, big antifreeze tank, heat shield, double heat shield on this unit. Again, diesel's double labeled. Everything's labeled so you can't get your fingers into anywhere, but it's all locked down. That's great. All right. If you got big lines or big service that needs to be done with hot water, give us a call. That's where our expertise is. Thank you.